morning everyone. Welcome to week 6 of term 2. Next week is going to be a very busy week filled with friendly matches, parents workshops, and university visit, so get ready. We start with early years. On Wednesday, our PG students are going out for cooking class in Pizza Hut. Now we will move to elementary. On Tuesday, from 8 to 10, we will have an elementary coffee morning and parents workshop in the parents' lunch and Borobudur room. Then on Thursday, there will be an athletic event in the oval field and then the Bebras challenge for grade 4 to 6 students. So good luck everyone and have fun. Finally, in high school, on Monday, our Boys and Girls Volleyball team will face off against SIS in friendly match at the MPH building. Good luck everyone and come to cheer your friends. Then we will have 2 university visits this week. We will have University of Twente on Monday and Breda University of Applied Science on Wednesday. On Tuesday, our annual high school coffee morning is back from 2 to 3 p.m. in high school building. And on Wednesday, we will have grade 10 DB student tester day, along with university and career workshop for grade 10 parents and students. Finally, on Friday, there will be Hari Pahlawan. Seperti yang Bapak Presiden Soekarno ucapkan, jas merah, jangan melupakan sejarah. Mari kita belajar dari perjuangan para pahlawan. Along with that, we will have an academic break. So enjoy your holiday and get ready for the better next week. Bye!